Hello everyone, and welcome on board. Thank you for watching my video. If you do like what you see, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And make sure also to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Today we are flying all the way up to Stirling from Fife, where we'll be seeing the Stirling Castle as well as the William Wallace Monument, which many people know as Braveheart. And we'll be following the Forth River all the way back up the coast to Aberdour, exit through Kirkcaldy, and fly back through Fife. I hope you enjoy the flight.
bye-bye.
1187, fire, 73 Mike Victor, thank you, bye-bye.
Edinburgh, good afternoon to Air 8 Bravo Kilo, descending follow 70, we're 738 with Romeo.
8 Bravo Kilo, Edinburgh radar, good afternoon, vectoring Alice, approach runway 24. Sierra's current, no significant change, fly radar heading is 010 degrees.
Heading is 010 to Air 8 Bravo Kilo.
8 Bravo Kilo, just over 30 track miles to run, number 2, descend altitude 4,000 feet to an H1023.
4,000 feet, 1023 to Air 8 Bravo Kilo.
Bravo X-ray, Oscar Juliet, the Edinburgh QNH is 1023, report if you need to climb above altitude 2,000 feet.
Copy QNH 1023, and we'll call if we need to climb above 2,000, Golf Bravo X-ray, Oscar Juliet. Radar, Golf Bravo X-ray Oscar Juliet. We're currently overhead Stirling. We'd like to request a zone transit if possible, staying north of the Forth banks to the bridges along to Aberdour and exit at Kirkcaldy, currently 1,600.
Golf Bravo X-ray Oscar Juliet, roger. From your power position, then route along the north bank of the river, to the north of the bridges, then north bank out to Kirkcaldy, within the zone not above 2,000 feet VFR.
Copy. From current position, we'll remain north of the Forth along to North Tower, Aberdour, exit Kirkcaldy, not above 2,000 feet VFR, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Roger. Airline 1285, descent altitude 3,000 feet.
Descent 3,000, Canon 1285.
Golf Oscar Juliet is just north of the bridges now. We're continuing eastbound towards Aberdour, 1,700.
Oscar Juliet, roger. Remain overland.
We'll remain overland, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Okay, so 13, Kelty.
Side Delta 13, roger. Next report to bridges.
Next court bridges, is that 13?
Edinburgh radar, Golf Oscar Juliet.
Oscar Juliet.
We are just approaching Aberdour now. We'd like to do 2 orbits left hand if possible, which means we'll overlap slightly over the water. We'd like to take some footage of the festival.
Yeah, that's approved then. Left hand orbits approved. Report complete.
Roger, orbit left approved, Golf Oscar Juliet. Thank you.